Welcome to the dumps. My name is Ellis Dead, Garbage Pail Killer. Now I ain't the only motherfucking killer,
Fuck you.
but I'm a nightmare walking, serial killing, bitch stalking motherfuckers who ain't got love, got lined to chalk. And I find their families and they tie them all up, and I make sure the eyelids don't shut, staple from their back to their butt. And so they can see all the carnage that's about. They gotta see me sticking the knife in out their mouth. I wanna hear all their screams, lick all their tears. I wanted them to understand the real meaning of fear. Call me Ellis Dead, Garbage Pail Killer. Coming from the dumps, I'm a big blood spiller. I'ma hand out the lumps, I'm chopping you up in clumps, hanging out with some gangster gothic punks. Sitting in the graveyard gets really boring, so I pull out my ninja blade and the blood starts pouring. Ninjas from the dumps, killers from the graveyard, Garbage Pail Killers killing us, it's fucking real hard. Sitting in the graveyard gets really boring, so I pull out my ninja blade and the blood starts pouring. Ninjas from the dumps, killers from the graveyard, Garbage Pail Killers killing us, it's fucking real hard. Cause I've been chopping necks and slitting throats, I'm throwing bodies over boats, I'm smoking bud and snorting coke, I'm killing fuckers cause I'm broke, I got no time, you got to see, we fuck these hoes on ecstasy, I'm bleeding puke and puking blood, need me a little hug, and find a kiss, and find a shove, Great Divide is on my list, when I'm pissed that no one cares, feel the heat when tempers flare, pull my hair and kick my nuts, watch me burn up Pizza Huts, burn the town, just burn it down, burn all the body all around, I don't care who gives a fuck, seems the world is out of luck, out of time and out of mind, I'm feeling fine, who wants this place? Not me, no not me, motherfucker. Because my mind ain't right, I've been trying to think of something to say, but my brain, it just ain't working, the bugs ate it away. That's what happens when you're dead and you come from the dumps. I could cut my neck, it would bleed out in clumps. Now my dick stays hard, cause it's all rigor mortis, and when I'm fucking that hoes, I fuck them slow like a tortoise. I can't help the fact that I got necrophilia, and if I ever did a good deed, it was a deed named Delia.
Fuck you!
I'm a psychotic killer, and I'm grabbing deadly weapons, and I'm killing all the people in my life that aren't helping, all the people that are yelling, people that are spilling all the secrets when they told me they weren't telling. Fuck you! I ain't trying to be angry, but that's what this world makes me, as the government rapes me and my future is so hazy. My ass might be lazy, but that don't mean that I'm crazy. The ground that I stand on with my friends is so fucking shaky. Always seem cranky, always seem mad. Now fuck that shit, I'm tired of it. Before I put your head in the bag, you better calm down, relax. You best stop breathing, because in about 10 seconds you wish you were retreating, because I'm a Garbage Pail Killer, got bags full of knives, guns and bombs and shit. I'm ready to take 1,000 lives, cause all the shit I went through up in the dumps. Now I'm pissed, I'm handing out some lumps, cause I'm a Garbage Pail Killer sitting in the graveyard. Man, it's fucking boring. Fuck that South Park, shut the fuck up. This is my track.